As indicated by our really current AXIE boundlessness cost expectation, the worth of AXIE vastness will expanded by 217.72%, coming to $31.38 by end of 2025, which for the most part is genuinely huge. All specialized pointers basically show that the truly current feeling is negative, while the trepidation and ravenousness file generally is perusing 14.57, and that implies intense apprehension in a significant manner. Our AXIE endlessness estimate, it's unsafe to sell AXIE vastness this moment, which is genuinely huge. On walk 6, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a sort of broad negative opinion among AXIE limitlessness cost expectations, or so they thought. See the sort of accurate AXIE boundlessness cost expectation underneath. You will know how in every practical sense, much AXIE endlessness especially is worth in the next few long stretches of time, or so they all things considered thought. Throughout recent days, AXIE endlessness has diminished by 22.86%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a kind of slight recuperation in the approaching month incredibly. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of AXIE vastness expanded by 118.61% and came to approach around $19.03. At present, all pointers in a real sense are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and eagerness file for the most part shows 14.57 intense feelings of dread amazingly. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sort of sell AXIE boundlessness incredibly. Right now, AXIE vastness is exchanging beneath the 200 sort of straightforward moving normal, or so they thought. For the genuinely most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA truly has shown an AXIE endlessness selling signal. The cost of AXIE endlessness is at present running beneath the 50-day truly straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal in an unpretentious manner. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $10.05 toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, AXIE Infinity's transient 50-day SMA in every way that really matters shows at $10.43. The essentially relative strength file, RSI energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money really is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Ursivalu amazingly. This demonstrates that the AXS market basically is in a purchase position. AXIE limitlessness, AXS, value expectation 2023. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, AXIE endlessness came to $13.38. When it generally dipped under $5.96, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, AXIE limitlessness is en route to passing the $19.09 mark before the current year's over. Before $19.09, it might in a real sense break its characteristic of $165.37 in reach, or so they essentially thought. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, AXIE limitlessness will break its past all-time high of $165.37 and hold somewhere in the range of $18.61 and $19.09 soon. At this point, on 6 Walk 2023, AXIE boundlessness in every practical sense is exchanging at $8.71, and its 24-hour exchanging volume generally is around 50.83 M. And it sort of makes number 52 cash in the entire crypto world. AXIE vastness value expectation 2024. There basically is plausible that AXIE limitlessness can explicitly get through the $22.46 obstruction and, for the most part, hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least AXIE limitlessness cost will be between $18.69 to $22.46, and the most truly reasonable AXIE vastness cost will commonly be consistent at around $20.81 toward the finish of 2024. Despite AXIE Infinity's buy and large wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally hostile energy use, tycoon financial speculator Tim Draper sort of is adhering to his forecast that AXIE boundlessness will reach $22.46 toward the finish of 2024, or really mid-2024. AXIE vastness value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that AXS will basically begin the year at $25.65 and exchange around $31.38, which is very critical. As indicated by their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with commonly a year ago. This is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. AXIE Boundlessness Value Forecast 2026. There really is a decent opportunity that AXIE Vastness 2026 value expectation will sort of twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $40.04 level. AXIE Boundlessness is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $37.83 or $40.04 in 2026. And it could explicitly be the extended time of AXIE endlessness. In an unpretentious manner, AXIE Boundlessness Value Forecast 2027 AXIE Vastness Value Expectation, or AXS, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has for the most part potential to accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, AXIE Infinity's cost generally is supposed to outperform $40.04 in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. It in every practical sense has been truly anticipated that AXIE limitlessness will for the most part arrive at the greatest cost of $40.04, and the genuinely least cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally be around $33.51 in every practical sense. Next, a long time from 2027. AXIE Vastness Estimate 2028 Market examiners and specialists say that AXIE Boundlessness Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, AXIE Endlessness, is supposed to sort of cross a value level of $46.02 in 2028 in a quite huge manner. In the meantime, AXIE Endlessness is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $41.31 this year in an unpretentious manner. The truly most extreme cost might reach $47.73. Incredibly, AXIE Boundlessness, AXS, Value Expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The AXIE Limitlessness Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of AXIE Vastness will reach $62.46. And the cost of AXS ought to reach $62.46 before the year is over, which truly is very huge. Likewise, AXS can explicitly reach up to $58.75 in cost in an exceptionally significant manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for AXIE endlessness development. Amazingly, AXS Value Expectation 2030 out of 2030, AXIE Endlessness Value Expectation, are supposed to cross the $90.07 normal cost level, as per AXIE limitlessness gauge and specialized examination in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish of 2030, AXIE Infinity's base cost in every practical sense is supposed to be $84.88 in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, AXS can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $91.11. Toward the finish of 2030, AXIE endlessness will truly have a truly normal cost of $91.